Hey guys, welcome to our channel RudraVed. Today we brought you another series of asanas. Today we brought you the Tadasana. You see, you must have seen people doing Tadasana like this, but I'm going to teach you very simple variation of Tadasana. All you have to do is stand like this. This is Tadasana. You see, it looks very basic, but when you start mastering the Tadasana, you will know how to stand. You see, many people, they are having very bad posture, poor posture. So you see, when you learn Tadasana, you will know how to stand, you will know how to carry yourself, you will know how to walk. You see, that's the most important thing. Everybody is talking about posture, 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 but when you are aware of yourself, you can fix your posture. You will know, I am going this way, I am going that way. You may not need nothing else fixing your posture if you are aware. You see, let's get started. Hare Hare. Now, how to do the Tadasana? What you will do is, you will stand approximately your hip joint width. This leg and align with your this hip joint, this leg align with your hip, this hip joint. Okay, so you will stand straight, your stomach in, chest up. When you chest up, shoulder straight and arms like this and face like this. Now the thing you have to keep in mind is, are you going backward, are you going forward, are you going this way, are you going this way, or which leg is holding more weight? Let's say this leg is holding more weight. Okay, you may not look slant, but you may be putting more weight on this leg or on this leg. That is the awareness you need to keep in mind. That's how you will fix yourself. Okay, now you'll see, you will keep there and you will simply breathe, breathe, breathe. That's how you do that. Now the concept of joint over joint. You see, this joint, then come this joint, then we have this joint, then we have spine here, then rib cage, then shoulder, then skull. You see, you have to keep your joint over joint over joint. So no joint get over pressure or no joint get under pressure. You see, that is important. How you want to do it? Let's say I bring my this joint over this joint. Then what I'm doing is, I am putting more stress on my heels and less on my foot, but a slight change from here to here like this. I simply, you see, you have to go, you see, this is straight. When I am like this, what I am doing is, I am putting more pressure on heel and less on this. This is not good, because you will go like this when you will do it like this. Okay, so you have to do is, see, do not lock your knees, just straight your knees. That is important. You see, this is lock, this is straight. A very slight difference. You see, when you will do it like this, when you keep getting aware, you will know what to do. Okay, now the next joint is the hip joint. After this joint, you fix knee joint, then comes the hip joint. Okay, do not, you see, waver like this or this. Many people, you see, they do it like this. This joint comes on your knees. You see, you will start feeling easy in your joints. You will feel easy here, easy here, easy here, because you are putting joint over joint over joint. Okay, now this there, now spine. Spine, you see, our spine is not a straight line. It is like this, a curve. You see, this. So from here, you see, from here, there is a curve. You need to keep this in mind. There is a curve here, and the next thing is your rib cage. Fix up your chest, fix your shoulder. Till now you are done. Now the neck, you will see there. That's the concept of joint over joint over joint. That's how you will fix it, and you will of course relax. I show you one more trick how to fix your posture or how to fix your Tadasana. Use the wall. Now what you want to do is, you are not going to touch your heel with the wall. This is important, because a heel is slightly forward. You see, very slightly forward. Now you will touch your hip. You see, that's how you stand. Your hip comes more forward than heels from the backside. I can say that. Okay, so you stand like this. and you touch your hips. Okay, you can slightly adjust. Yes, now I got my sweet point. Your hips will get touched. Now you see, you can see my hand. See, this is my hand. So again, the spine is curved. There will be a curve in the spine. You will see like this. Your chest will get up automatically when you will get curved. Now comes the shoulder. See, this is the shoulder, and next your neck. That's how you're gonna do. You can readjust yourself, and yes, I got my point. This is Tadasana. Simply breathe. You see, your neck is straight. What the problem you will face in normal and in here is you will fix from here to here. The problem from here, you see, if you fix this, you will not be able to fix this. But wall will help you to fix this as well as this. You see, that's how important it is. So you have two variations, do that and fix your Tadasana. Now, I have written few pointers you need to keep in mind. You will know more better how to do Tadasana. Okay. Now, what is with the name? The Tadasana. You see, you must have seen many people like doing it like this. Like this. See, this is Tadasana. People do it like this. But what I am teaching you is very basic version of Tadasana. If you do not know how to stand, then how will you see, carry yourself, how you will carry yourself in advanced asana. You see, it is a very basic asana I am teaching you. So this is Tadasana 1. Now, what does Tadasana means? You see, asana we know asana means posture. Tada, it is said, means mountain. Like mountain is still, it is unwavering, unmoving. That's how the Tadasana is. And there's another name for Tadasana, Samasthiti. Sama is again, Sama means balanced. Sthiti means position. You see, in a very balanced position. You see, everything is getting balanced in Tadasana. You see, this is important. So, this is the Tadasana and the name of, meaning of the Tadasana. Now, talking about the benefits of the Tadasana. You see, I already explained the benefits to you. Now, let's recall it. And few more things I will tell you here. The first is posture. Of course, you will fix your posture. You see, that is important. Now, the next point I taught you about the joint over joint. You see, this is very important. You do not over pressure any joint, or you do not under pressure any joint. You see, a well balanced body. You see, so the less body you destroy, the more you will need food. That's how it is. Use your body for productive purpose. Do not waste energy. That's how I see it. Okay, so the joint over joint concept, it is very important. Now the next is fixed breathing. You see, when you stand like this or this, there are some portions of the body that breathe or your air never goes because they are stuck, they are tight. There is no way of air going there. So when you fix your asana, you will feel you see, your air will go from here, here and here, and especially your back, because you are doing it correctly. You are standing correctly. You are breathing correctly. You are teaching your body how to breathe. You see, simple. That's how it is. Or the thing I've written is shoulder and back. Because when most people stand like this or stand like this, you see, they are having super tight back and neck. They're feeling pain here, here and here. And of course, in the lower back, of course. So when you fix your posture, you of course fix your breathing. Now, talking about the fourth point, you will improve your foot position. Now, what exactly does I mean when I say you will improve your foot position? So here I have written shoes test. Check your shoe. You see, check your shoe, the sole of your shoe or your slippers. From where it is pressed, the place where it is pressed more, it is the place you are putting more pressure there. Let's say, you see, these are the 3 points into your sole or into your shoe. Let's say this part of the shoe is getting more wear and tear, I can say. So you are using more of your heels while standing or walking or running or whatever you are doing. Let's say this part of shoes is getting more wear and tear, or it is getting more pressed. So what you are doing is you are using more of your, you see, this part of the feet and not heels. Your pressure is more on forward and less on the heels. You see, that's how the 3 points is there. You see, there is a dirt in the three sides, cause that's how you stand. And again, it will fix the problem of getting the flat foot. You see, you will be aware of that problem, how it is happening. So check your shoes, check your slippers from where you are doing it like this. Of course, when you see you stand like this, let's say if your left shoe is getting more wear and tear than the right one, then again you get the message. You are putting pressure on the left side of the foot, on the hip and the knee, and not on the right side. You see, this is a very important thing when you know. This is the fourth point. Now the fifth point, we're going to talk about the balance. It is all about balance. You will create a balance into your body. Joints, your muscles, your ligaments, they will all be coordinated and they will all be balanced when you started mastering your Tadasana 1, the basic Tadasana. And coming to over the sixth point, the center of gravity. You see what I'm calling the center of gravity. You see, this is the center of gravity. I'm going here. I am misaligned with my center of gravity. I am misaligned here, misaligned, fully aligned with my center of the gravity. You see, that's what I mean about the center of gravity. When you fix it here, you will know your center of gravity in other asanas as well. Let's say you are doing it like this and Trikonasana and other asanas. You will be able to find your center of gravity if you fix in this very basic asana, the Tadasana 1. Now the seventh point is the awareness. You see, when you stand in Tadasana, what I taught you, be aware of everything. When you get aware of your body, you will increase the awareness of your body. You are well aware when you are getting misaligned. So it will increase your awareness, the awareness of your body. You see, your joints, your muscles, whatever you think, you will, what I can say, the guidance come from the inside. You see, that's what I mean, the awareness. That is very important. In that awareness, no yoga teacher can explain you. You have to feel it from the inside. You see, that's how the difference came. And the next part is the meditative part. How can this asana be meditative? I will explain to you this point in the next point. Okay, we are done with the benefits. There are 8 benefits and many more. I remember 8. I write 8. Now, how much to do or how to do? Basically, how to do in the sense, I have written 2 ways you can do it and you can master it. The first way is 1 minute into 5 sets. You will stand for 1 minute, be aware, fix, align yourself for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take a break of 1 to 2 minutes. Again, do it for 1 minute. You will do it 5 times, or set of 1 minute you will do 5 sets. Okay, that is the one way. The next way is do it, build your holding position from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Let's say I'm standing, I'm building my position from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Now the 8th point, here it's starting to go meditative. You are starting to go meditative. You are concentrating on your body. Where is the problem? Am I going this side? Am I going this side? I am going this side. Am I going this side? You see, that's the awareness meditation part. That's here. When you will do it like this, you will be more aware. And of course, the basic position of Tadasana is like a mountain, achal. You are upright, straight, strong, powerful. That's the thing you will inculcate here. So these are the 2 ways to do the Tadasana. Now here is the last bonus tip for you. And this bonus tip is for every asana you do. Check your limitations. You see, I am doing Tadasana. I will check the limitations where my body is. Let's say my body is aching here. Issue is here. I need to fix something here. I have issue. I can feel something here. When I do it, let's say from 1 minute to 5 minutes, I can sense the problem in my body. You see, that's how the bonus tip is. Check your limitations so that you can do other asanas, so that you can fix those limitations. You may not need any guru for that. Of course, you can be self-aware, be your own guru, or ignite your inner guru. I can say that. You see, even if you have a guru, do it. It is very important. Okay. So I guess I try to explain everything to you in this video of the Tadasana. It's basically a master class on Tadasana, and with this asana and with this basics, you will be able to know how to do more asana or how to be good at other asanas as well. So let's finish this video. See you in the next video. Yes, Shri Ram.